Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the pool cage cleaner. I love this device. I live next to some trees that have a lot of crab spiders, so they like to take home up in the pool cage and make their nest up here sometimes. So I use this to easily extend over 10 feet long to clean the pool cage. I have had this for about 2+3 years now at this time, and it's held up really well. The handles on it are starting to fade. However, it's been 3 years, 2 to 3 years, and it's been outdoors primarily without a area to store it. So it is adjustable. These little clips here, you can extend pretty far, and then you push down and it will latch right into place. Same thing on here as well. There's 2 spots to really extend a far distance, and I have no problem getting long distances like so. The attachment head is very easy to clean. All you do is you will unscrew this here, and then you can just rinse it off in a utility sink or with the hose. And then you can actually just put it right back on when it dries. Just wanted to show that it also does have these attachments here that come with it as well. You just unscrew the end and then you screw it on to the other side of the pool cage cleaner. Right now I'm going to screw this end back on. So it has this bristle type side, and then it also has this more of a duster type side that you can use with the extender side of the pool cage cleaner. I like this a lot. It helps with the maintenance of the pool cage. I hope you take a look at it.